Hi everyone, it's Suzanne here. Today I'm going to share with you a large explosion box that I've made for the daughter of one of the women I work with. This box is about 5.5 inch square. I'll just go through some of the things I've used. So this metal key, it was a bronzy colour, but I just gessoed it and then painted it with some pink acrylic paint. All of these flowers, all the pink ones and these yellow ones, I've made. So the pink ones were made with my Heartfelt Creations stamps and dies. The little yellow ones are just made with a punch that I have. The butterfly made with the Tim Holtz layered butterfly. These ones here I did buy though. I've put a really tiny little bow up there on the key as well. I've also added, you might be able to see here, and also in the flowers, some tiny little glass microbeads. I've used a Paper Roses layered die on the lid and on the sides, and I just used some Kinderglitz with some glossy accents over the top, just to give it a bit of wow factor. I've also added a flat back trim, pearl bead trim along the edge. So I'll just try and get up close so you can see the little micro beads and the flowers. There's some here on the butterfly as well. Okay, and that is the side of the box. So this, like I said, is a Paper Rose design layered die, and the top one I just used some Kinderglitz, let it dry, and then went over it with glossy accents. I added these little metal accents, and then I used one of these on each centre, the same one that I used in the trim. So on the edge of the lid I have used some pink lace, and then this I'm not sure what that's acrylic, or it's like a large pearl beaded trim. Okay, so that's what it looks like on all four sides. Okay, and then the lid comes off, so we'll leave that one for now. I'll get to that in a moment. So inside I have made a card. Again, I made the flower just using some dies I have, put in some stamens, die cut some leaves. This is a Uniquely Creative die. Added the happy birthday sentiment, a key and a little butterfly, just so that it kind of you know, mimics that lid. I wanted it to all look cohesive. Inside, oops, sorry, inside on two sides it looks like this, where it's saying happy birthday with a couple of butterflies, and then here it's just with some more little handmade flowers. So just used a little die I have to cut them all out. Same with the little branch, it's a die I have, and and put a little stamen in the center of each one. So that is what it looks like inside. And then this little box is made for the center. So this one, so the large one, the paper is Kaisercraft. This paper is Minte paper. Really, really beautiful. I've just used like a peel paint paper for the bottom layer, and then the decoration I used the cut aparts page for that. And the little, this die here, this is in the same set, it's from Kaisercraft as well, fits perfectly on a 4-inch explosion box. That's what this one measures. So that's the lid and the sides, and inside it's very plain, but I think the paper speaks for itself. I think this paper is so beautiful, and that's where the gift is going to go. So didn't really want to be decorating that one, and so that's how it will all go. So it'll all go in like so, and the lid will go on, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed having a look at it. I'm going to put some still photos at the end. Thank you all so much for having a look. Bye for now.